In this video, you will learn how to create a WhatsApp link with personalized messages like this one for your business ads. Now let's get started. Go to your browser and search for Postcon WhatsApp link generator. You'll see it like this: WhatsApp link generator, postcon.com. So you tap on that particular one. So you can see it here. So you just scroll down and you will see what's your phone number, then you put it with your country code. So I'll put mine like this, and then what message do you want your customer to see? So let's say I want to learn more about your business. My name is dash dash dash. So this is what I want them to see. You tap on get link and it's already generated, so you see it below. So you just tap on copy link and it's copied. So let me paste the link on my notepad. If someone should tap on this link now, it will direct the person to my DM, just like this one. You can see how beautiful it is, but you can see that this link is too long, right? So in the next video, I will show you how to shorten this link so that it becomes shorter and more direct, more easier for your customers to recognize. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in my next video.